You can expect a lot from the 2019 Jeep Compass. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, our dealership is a great place to do business.